In this video lecture, you will be introduced to the first financial statement called balance sheet. It is also known as the statement of financial position. A balance sheet reports the assets, liabilities, and equity of a company at a specific date. The relationship among these elements is perfectly presented by the basic accounting equation, which is assets equal liabilities plus equity. A balance sheet can be presented horizontally, meaning assets are presented on the left side, like you can see it in this example, liabilities and the equities on the right side. Or vertically, meaning that assets are listed on the top, followed by the liabilities and equity presented on the bottom. This is a horizontally presented simple balance sheet. As per our basic accounting equation, the sum of all assets, which is 18,700, equal the sum of liabilities and equity. So the liabilities are 1,850 plus 16,850, which is equal to the total of liabilities and equity equal total assets. Let's take a look at a practical example of a balance sheet from Apple and Unilever companies. These balance sheets are taken from their respective websites and will demonstrate how companies may choose to present their financial statements, specifically balance sheet. Both are presented vertically, as you can see again, assets on the top, liabilities on the bottom, followed by the shareholders' equity. Apple has listed its assets starting from the most liquid, meaning current assets, going to the least liquid, meaning non-current assets. Unilever, on the other hand, presented in the opposite way, non-current assets listed first and then current assets. Unilever presented it in such a way, but it doesn't mean that there is some difference between these financial statements. There are only, format-wise, they're exactly the same. Next, current liabilities are presented first in both cases. We see them listed first, and then it's followed by the non-current liabilities in both of those cases. Then we see shareholders' equity or stockholders' equity presented the last. And as per the basic accounting equation, both of these financial statements have their assets, which is right here, and this is here, equal to the sum of liabilities and equity. The total liabilities are listed right here, and the equity. If you add this up, they will be equal to the total assets. That is all for this video. See you in the next one.